Welcome guys to this channel. In today's lesson I'm going to show you how to create line and polyline. So first I'm going to show you how to create a line. Select from here line and now specify the first point. For example here, and now you can draw everything how do you want, like this. Yeah. And also you can give for example just 10 minutes. Also you can, if you want to on this button auto mode, or by pressing F9 you can only write vertical and horizontal line like this. So now I'm going to show you how to create a line with a specific angle. So first choose the first point from here and then the second point, and now I'm going to draw with the angle, for example 45. So the first put the length of line, for example I'm given 10, and then press tab button, and then now you can specify the angle. For example I give it 45 and then click enter. Yeah. So now if you want to close the line, you can click in here, and also you can just type C and enter. Here you go, this is the line. So now I'm going to show you how to create polyline. You can choose from here polyline, and also you can see PL, enter, and now choose the first point. For example from here you can draw everyone if you want. So now I'm going to work with the width. I want to have a line with a specific width. Type W, enter, and then give it the value. For example 2, enter the first point, and the second point also I'm giving 2, enter. So now you can draw with the line with the width of 2. And also now you can choose an arc. For example I am clicking arc A, enter, and then this is an arc. So now if you want to draw a line, then you have to still there. This is an arc. If you want to draw a line, just type A, enter. Now it's a line. Again, I'm going to change it the weight. I'm typing the value, enter. The first point has 2, enter, and the second I'm giving 0. Oh, it's good. Yeah. This is the polyline.